Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best appliance slider tray is probably one of the most overlooked yet incredibly useful kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed, transforming the way you interact with heavy, cumbersome appliances by allowing them to glide effortlessly across your countertop, saving your back, protecting your surfaces, and making kitchen tasks significantly more convenient and enjoyable every single day. Number 5. Chefman Electric Griddle 10 by 16 inch. This indoor grill surface is perfectly sized for smaller kitchens. Despite its compact footprint, it still offers plenty of space for all your cooking needs. Its adjustable temperature control ranges from 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to warm foods, fry breakfast favorites, or perfectly sear meats. Prepare healthier meals effortlessly with this griddle. Its integrated drip tray collects excess oil, and the non-stick surface minimizes the need for extra cooking oils. Cleaning up is a breeze with this appliance. The cooktop is fully immersible and dishwasher safe, just remember to remove the temperature control first. It quickly adds valuable cooking space to your kitchen. This is perfect for preparing large family dinners or hosting holiday gatherings with ease. This griddle is UL approved, featuring advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. It also comes with a 1-year assurance from Chefman for your peace of mind. What we like? This griddle offers a compact yet ample cooking surface, perfect for smaller kitchens or quick meals. Its adjustable temperature control allows for versatile cooking, from warming to searing. If you're looking for a multi-purpose cooking surface that's easy to clean and store, this is an excellent choice for everyday breakfast or small gatherings. What people say. No positive review details could be extracted as the provided source JSON was empty. Therefore, no specific product works, design, function, feature, or facts could be quoted. Number 4. Goldlion Appliance Sliding Tray for Kitchen Countertops. Moving heavy kitchen appliances is now a breeze. This discreetly designed slider, with its convenient lever control, makes a once difficult task painless. Featuring an extra-large surface, it accommodates a wide range of kitchen gadgets. From pressure cookers to blenders, many of your favorite appliances will fit perfectly. With a height of just 0.9 inch, it ensures ample clearance between your cabinet and countertop. This allows for hassle-free movement of even your taller appliances. Unlike others, this tray features a durable silicone non-slip pad. This ensures reinforced durability and makes cleaning incredibly easy. Simply place your small kitchen appliance on it, press down the lever, and effortlessly slide it back and forth. This protects your countertops from scratches and makes usage simple. What we like? This slider makes moving heavy appliances effortless, thanks to its convenient lever control. Its extra-large surface accommodates a wide range of appliances like Ninja Footy or Instant Pot. If you have large, heavy kitchen gadgets and want a durable, easy-to-clean solution with a superior non-slip surface, this one is designed for you. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Number 3. Bruvoalon Kitchen Appliance Sliding Tray. Tired of struggling with heavy kitchen machines? This innovative tray acts as a moving mat, allowing you to easily slide bulky appliances out from under low cabinets with just a gentle pull. It protects your countertops from scratches and saves your back from strain. Don't let its slim profile fool you. Crafted from high-grade, durable ABS material, this caddy is sturdy enough to support up to 25 pounds. It ensures smooth movement without bending or warping, even with your heaviest kitchen gear. Unlike cheap sliders, this tray features powerful suction cups on the bottom. It grips the countertop firmly, ensuring the base stays locked in place while you slide the top. This provides essential stability, so your appliance won't move during operation. We offer 1, 2, and 3-pack options to suit all your organizing needs. Whether for a single coffee maker or a set for your air fryer, mixer, and toaster, these trays keep your countertop uniform and tidy. Maximize space and efficiency in one go. Made from toxic-free, waterproof material, it's easy to maintain. Simply wipe up spills or toss it in the dishwasher. The multi-pack sets make a thoughtful and game-changing gift for anyone with limited space or for seniors who struggle with lifting heavy equipment. What we like? This tray is designed for effortless sliding of bulky appliances, protecting your countertops and back. It boasts a 25 pounds heavy-duty load-bearing capacity, ensuring smooth movement even with a KitchenAid mixer. If you need a slider that stays firmly in place while operating your appliance and offers robust support, its stable suction cups are a key differentiator. What people say. No suitable positive reviews with product details were found in the provided empty source. Please provide actual review content to extract helpful points. Number 2. Kitchen Appliance Sliding Caddy with Rolling Wheels. Tired of cluttered countertops and heavy appliances? This innovative sliding caddy is designed to bring order and convenience to your kitchen. It helps you effortlessly manage your appliances, transforming your cooking area. From your coffee maker to your stand mixer, this rolling tray handles them all. It's perfect for blenders, toasters, and air fryers, keeping them organized and accessible. This versatile solution ensures your kitchen always looks neat and tidy. Experience unparalleled ease with its smooth gliding wheels. You can slide your appliance forward with just one finger when needed, then tuck it away effortlessly. A non-slip silicone pad keeps everything securely in place. Crafted from high-quality steel and metal, this caddy is incredibly durable. It can support up to 50 pounds, ensuring a long service life for your heaviest appliances. Cleaning it is also a breeze, maintaining its pristine look. Measuring 11.7 W x 13.8 D x 0.9 H, it's perfectly sized for large appliances, fitting neatly under cabinets. This extra deep design helps free up valuable counter space, enhancing your kitchen's aesthetic appeal. Looking for a thoughtful present? This appliance slider is an ideal choice for anyone with limited counter space. It makes a practical and appreciated housewarming gift for friends and family, simplifying their daily routines. What we like. This multifunctional rolling tray simplifies moving and storing various heavy appliances, freeing up valuable counter space. It features a high-quality steel and metal construction, supporting up to 50 pounds for even your heaviest machines. If you prioritize maximum weight capacity and a durable build for a wide range of appliances, this robust caddy is an excellent fit. What people say. Number 1. Kitchen Caddy Appliance Sliding Tray. Do you struggle to move your kitchen appliances from the back of the counter? Lifting and sliding them can be a real hassle, and it often scratches your beautiful countertops. There's a better way to manage your kitchen space. This versatile sliding tray is perfect for your coffee maker, blender, toaster, or any other countertop appliance. It makes it incredibly easy to bring them forward when you need them. No more straining or damaging your surfaces. Our kitchen appliance rolling tray is designed to simplify your life. It effortlessly holds all types of kitchen appliances, from light to heavy, supporting up to 50 pounds. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Crafted from high-quality steel and metal, this tray is incredibly durable. Its non-slip silicone pad ensures your appliances stay securely in place while in use. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Unlike other options, this tray features a unique one-piece design, so you never have to worry about it coming off its tracks. A clever lever locks it firmly in place when you're done, preventing any accidental movement or toppling. It offers superior security and peace of mind. What we like. This versatile tray makes sliding appliances like coffee makers or blenders effortless, preventing countertop scratches. Its unique one-piece design ensures stability and prevents appliances from toppling over. If you value a secure, integrated design that locks firmly in place when not in motion, this single-piece slider offers enhanced safety and ease of use. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.